section, you'll be able to click on those 9 circles and go to Docs. After you open that up, you want to click on a blank Google Doc, which is the first one on the top left. You can see some of the examples right here as to how these are going to turn out, but I'm going to click on the one right here with the plus sign. All right, I'm going to change the name of this. For me, it's going to be Andres, A-N-D-R-E-S, last name Gonzalez, so that's the letter G, underscore, facial features. All right? For you, this will be your first name, your last initial. Okay, so now I want to go into Insert, because I have my document set up, I have the name correct. I want to insert my images, so I'm going to go to Insert, Image. There's 2 ways you could do it. You could either go to Upload from computer or from Drive. Now, one of the things that happens when you're uploading it from Drive, some people have had issues, and I guess even from upload from computer, some people have had issues where they don't see their photos there, but when they go to Google Drive, it is in there. I'll show you how to actually do it if that's the case. I'm going to click on Upload from Computer for myself. I'm going to go to my downloads. Actually, it's my desktops. Yep, I scroll all the way down, and I can see here I have different images for myself. I'm going to click on the mouth. There it is. Now, I can't actually move this around. I can't take this and do anything until I click right down here. So you have to click on the image that you want to move around, and then click right here in front of text. That lets you move it around. You could make it smaller. You could even rotate it by clicking on that little ball that's on top there, right? And the idea is to distort these features and still have a full portrait. So I'm going to go back to Insert. Oops, there you go. Insert Image from Computer. Scroll all the way down. This will be the nose. Again, I can't move it until I actually click here. And then I can move it somewhere here. Make it a little bit smaller. The proportions aren't going to be correct, and the idea is that they shouldn't be correct. Insert Image from Computer. The next one is the eyes. Here's the left eye. And again, I have to make this one to move in front of text. Insert, oops. Insert Image from Computer. Now the right eye, right over here. Just like all the others, click here just to be able to move it around. One eye bigger than the other is fine. Insert Image, Upload from Computer. Those things are kind of repetitive, but you will get into a routine that then makes sense for you. Like the reason you're doing that is going to make a lot more sense. And then you're arranging them, like what looks best. I just put the ear in there. The last one is the right ear. Insert Image from Computer. Click right here. Make sure that you click on this right here and scale it to where you want. Now you want to arrange this in the best way possible, right? Like try different things, even stacking it on top of each other. Like does this work? Does that work? And just play around with it. Sometimes like really tight works, sometimes loosely works. All right. If for some reason your image does not pop up, right? When you're trying to click on here, insert, oops. When you try to click Insert Image from Drive. Sometimes it doesn't show up and you're like, wait, I have it there, but for some reason it's not showing it. That's okay. You open it up in Google Drive, which I'll show you right here. Let's say I have an image that I could see here, but I can't actually see somewhere else. I'll click on it and then take a screenshot of it by holding Command-Shift and clicking on the number 4. Then I could click and drag over the section that I want to take a screenshot of. All right, that's going to put it on my computer, and then I could insert it from there. All right, back to Google Docs. Once I have this completed and I am satisfied that this is like the most creative and best version of my portrait using the facial features that I photographed, I can then move this, because you have to put this into your Google Drive. So go to File, Move, and then it's saying, where do you want to move it? So I look down here, I'm like, oh, I want to move it into this folder, inside Project 1, and you want to put it inside project. Okay, then click on move here, and you're done for that part. The last thing is, it says to take a screenshot and put it into your assignment. So let's say I'm going to move this here. Great, there it is. Now, again, you take a screenshot, hold Command, Shift, and the number 4. You can see how my cursor already changed. Click and drag over the image. You can hear that the image was just taken. Come back to this assignment. I can't do it because I'm on the teacher view, but you could add an image and then submit it. Okay? Those are the last steps right there. Make sure that you follow through with each one of those steps, and make sure that when you finish it, you are satisfied that that's the best version of this portrait that you could do. Try different things. Try different position, even like distorting it a whole lot. All right? Thanks.